So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of MetaMask HYIP investment website. So if you also want to make HYIP investment website like this, then you are on the right video. In this video I will completely make this website from scratch. First of all, I will give you the overview of this website, its admin panel, and then we will completely make this on our hosting. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And if you want to buy this script or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us and buy this from us. And viewers, we will provide you complete support. So if you buy from us, you don't need to worry about anything. So here, this is the login page of this website. This is completely in a mobile app view, and this is a new website. So here, if you don't have an account, by clicking this register option, you can register your account. If you already have an account, so go to login. So here we'll enter our phone number. So currently I'm entering my demo details because I have already registered. So here I'll enter my password. So after entering, when I click on login, it will log me into my user account.
MetaMask focuses on three core elements in the wave of traffic economy.
So
develop users,
let me just
attract
pause the video. So we have successfully logged into the user panel of this website. It has a very amazing user panel, as you can see it over here. So here you can insert your banners, multiple banners. Currently there is only one banner, but you can insert multiple banners from admin panel. So you can completely manage this website from admin. Here you can see the amazing look of this website. You can see all the packages on the website, and you can create as many as packages you want from admin panel. Here user can download your app as well. So here you can also add the lines or highlights over here. So here when we go to recharge option, so user can recharge using any of the gateway. So here we can recharge from here, select the gateway, and you can make the gateway from admin panel. You can use USDT or any other gateway. Go to jump to recharge. Here you can see there is a QR copy address over here, and here you have to enter your payment address and transaction ID and click on recharge completed, and you can easily recharge money on this website. So we'll go back, and here is a withdrawal option. So user can withdraw its money. First of all, user have to set its withdraw amount. Here user have to type the withdraw amount, enter the security password, and user can withdraw its amount from this website. So this is how withdraw works.
MetaMask.
There is a promo code option, so user can earn some rewards using promos. And here's the account information, so user can set its wallet or account details from here. So this is a video. You can add a video of your business. Here you can see the plans, all the plans on the website, and you can create your own plans in a way you want. So here you can see the price of plan, daily income, cycle of 100 days, or whatever you want to create, total feedback or total earning over here. So this is how you can create these things from admin panel. Here's a product option. So these are all the plans. User can view them and buy them separately. So here user can click on buy now, and user can easily buy any plan user want. Here you can see all the product that you have buy. So currently I have subscribed to this plan, so you can see it over here, and here you can see your daily earning. Here is a team option, so you can see all the people you have invited. Here is your invitation code, invitation link, and you can completely view your team right here in this section, and you can also see your earnings. Here you can see your total withdrawals, total deposits, total balance, 2-day income, total income, daily income, team income, and all the details. You can see it from here. You can change your login password. You can set security password from records. You can see your deposits, withdrawals, and investments over here. Here is a help center. You can add your Telegram link or any other option. So here's about us section, so user can read about your website, and here is download app option. So this was all about the user panel, and now let's go to the admin panel of this website, and let's see how we can completely manage this website from admin panel. So viewers, this is the admin login page. From here, from admin panel, we will manage the website. So if you want to purchase this complete website from us, you can contact us, or if you want only the source code, you can contact us easily on WhatsApp or Telegram. So here we have to enter our email and password in order to log in. So we'll enter our email. Here we'll enter our password so we can log in easily. So let me just enter the password over here. So I click on continue. So you can see that it has redirected us to the admin panel. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website. First of all, you can see the total users on the website, total plan purchased, total check-ins, total approved withdrawals, total deposits, each and everything. You can see it over here in this section. So here you can see all the notifications on your website. Here is a bonus option, so you can give bonus to users using different codes. So from here you can add balance to user account. Here is a slider. So as I told you, you can use multiple sliders on the website. Currently there is only one slider. You can delete it from here, or if you want to add new slider on your website of your own business, you can easily upload that file from here, and you can easily insert a slider on your website. So it's very easy to insert the slider over here. Here's manage plan. So you can see all the existing plans on the website. So these are all the other plans on the website. So currently I am showing you this admin panel on mobile phone, but if you use it on laptop, it will increase the visibility mode. So you can delete these plans, or if you want to insert new package, fill the name, title, image of that package, price, validity in days, and commission that user will earn daily. So this is how you can easily insert a new plan to your website. Here's rebate commission. So you can show user a percentage on rebate commission. Like over here you can show the insert in interest percentages. Here from manage customer, you can view all the customers on your website. You can ban them, you can unban them, and you can edit their statuses. From invest records, you can see all the investment records on your website, and you can see login as user, and you can view the detail of investment record over here, and you can also delete investment record. Here you can approve the user deposit request. So when user requests a deposit, it will come here and you can approve it. So here you can see all the approved deposits. So these are all the approved deposits of different users. Here you can see rejected deposits. Here is a withdrawal section. So here when user will request a withdraw, the request will come here, and you have to approve the withdraw or reject it. Here you can see approved or rejected withdrawals over here. So you can see over here. Here is a setting option. So you can manage methods, like you can update your deposit methods from this section. So currently there are two deposit methods. You can delete them and click on add new, and by filling the simple details you can insert your new deposit crypto payment method from here. So from setting you can insert the withdrawal charge, minimum withdraw, maximum withdraw. You can turn on off withdrawals from here, daily check-in amount, registration bonus you can give to user, and registration reward and other rewards. So this was all about the admin panel of this website, viewers. In this video I completely guided you about each and everything. Now let's go to our hosting server, and I'm gonna create the complete website from scratch. So let's go and let's create this website. Before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So viewers, to install this MetaMask investment website script, what you have to do is, first of all, you all must have to log into your cPanel, HPanel, or any other hosting provider that you are using. So here in this video I will use Hostinger, but you can use any of the hosting provider. It will works on all hostings. So now here you can see that I have logged into my HPanel. Now if you don't want to do all this work, you can contact us. We will build the complete website for you, where you don't have to do nothing. We will build the complete website for you. Now here, first of all, you have to click on File Manager. So now it will redirect you to your public HTML folder. So here I will install it on my subdomain. So here is demo 5. So we will install it here because I have already uploaded the script over here. So let me just open my domain name, demo5 dot nearbymarket.com. So I have entered the wrong name, so I have to enter this correct name over here. So you can see currently the website is not live yet. So now let's start our work. So now first of all you have to upload the script. So you have to upload this script file from here. So I've already uploaded this in order to save the time. So we will extract the file into our root directory. So you also have to extract this into the root directory. Either you are installing in public HTML or either you are installing it on subdomain. So here it is extracting the files, so you have to wait for the extraction. So it depends on your internet connection how much time it will take. Normally it take like 5 to 10 seconds, but depends on your internet connection. So files are extracted successfully. As you can see that all the files are extracted successfully. Viewers, now first of all the number one work that you have to do is you have to download this SQL file from here. So we'll just quickly download this SQL file. So it has downloaded. Now our second work is to create the database. So we will quickly go to our Hostinger dashboard. So we will go to database section, go to management, and now we will create the database. So you can use any name to create the database, any name, username. Currently I am using this name, but you can use any of the name you want. So click on create and it will create the database. So now database has created successfully. Now just copy this name from here and click enter PHP my admin. So it will redirect us to the PHP my admin window. So it has opened successfully. Now you have to click on import option over here, choose the file. So you have to upload the SQL file that I told you to download. So we will just click on import and it will all import all the queries. So all the queries are uploaded successfully, as you can see that over here. Now we will go to our .env file over here. So we'll go to this. So here we have to paste our database name that we just copied. Here we have to enter our username. Here we have to enter our password. And after entering these details, the last detail we have to enter over here is our link of our website. So here I'll enter the link. So now what you have to do is you have to refresh the site and you will see that our website has created. So website has created successfully, viewers, as you can see that. So website is live now. Now you can register your account, you can log in. So here to register, just enter all these details, and let me just register one account over here. So here we have to enter our password, click on security password. If you have invitation code you can enter that, and when I click on register, so it will register our account. So our account has registered successfully.
MetaMax focuses on 3 core.
Our website has created successfully. So this is how you can easily create this website within just 5 to 10 minutes. In this video I completely guided you about each and everything. Now if you want to purchase this website from us too, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will provide you complete support with it. And if you need any type of website, we can build it for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with other friends who need this kind of websites.